Hello guys, welcome to mambafixcars. Today we're gonna take the compressor out of a 2014 Chevy Traverse. First thing you gotta do is drain your freon out. High pressure. If you're wondering where your low pressure is, it's down there under that line right there. Yeah, that's right there. So I'm gonna show you the part. This is what the part looks like. It has 3 bolts holding it. It has one there, second there. Third one that goes through here. I'm going to show you how to get through all of it. Basically, we got to take up the belt. When we're done getting the freon out, we're going to take up the AC lines connected to the compressor. We're going to take connectors. I think it has 2. It has one here and the other one here. Stay tuned. I'm going to give you all the necessary steps. Alright guys, so once you're done taking your freon out, you're gonna come on the passenger side. I advise you take the tire off, or you can stand it to the side and work from there. I need more space, so I'm gonna take the tire off. Guys, so once the tire is off, we're gonna go ahead and bring this right here to the tire side. You're gonna take 1, 2, 3. It has 2 bolts on the bottom, 1 and 2, and some on the side. So I'm gonna take it off, put it on, like adjust it to the side, then get a much small space. Alright guys, once you have it like that, you're gonna go ahead and take the belt out. That's the tension right there. You have to get yourself a 1/2 inch ratchet, put it in there. You're gonna turn clockwise, and the tensioner should come loose and take the belt off. Alright guys, once the belt is out, we're gonna go ahead and take the connectors off. That's a push tab. So all you gotta do is push and pull out. It has another one right here. This one right here. That's also a push tab. Push and release. And it should be off. So once you have that off, you have both of them off, you're gonna go ahead and take 1, 2, and the other one is right about there. Let me try to show it on camera for you. Alright guys, so there's the last bolt for the compressor. I'm gonna show you the tools you need to get it off. Okay, so you need an intermediate extension and the short 15. You're gonna need this one too. So what you're gonna do, you go through this side, you go through here right there, like that, and you put it like that. Okay, so one that's on there like that, you can get your ratchet and put it at the back of it and break it loose. Hey guys, okay, so this is what it's gonna look like. So you try to put one of your hand underneath here, and you can hold it supported from the side, and you break it loose and take it out. Alright guys, once you have that bolt loose, the compressor should be rocking in there. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take the AC lines. You're gonna go through here. Once you go through there, you should be able to put your socket on it and your quarter extension, your quarter ratchet. So this is what I'm gonna use. Go through this side, then put it on it and break it off and take it out. Alright guys, once you have it in, use the same hole. Get your hand in there and then break it. Once you break it loose, you can use your hand to take it off. Alright, so once you got that nut out, you should be able to take your AC line off. When you come to this side, I'm gonna need you to take this. Bolt off. This start off. It's an E8. You're gonna need an E8. Take this start off for more room for the compressor to come off freely. Alright guys, so once you have that start out, the compressor should drop right down. That's what it still looks like. E8, get it out. The compressor sheet's off. So yeah, this is the reason why we changed the compressor. A little bad. Alright guys, there you go. This is the compressor. This is the end of the video. If it helped you, I appreciate if you give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye.